Hi, I'm Jeremy with Ryan Homes. Are you looking for a low-maintenance, new construction home in an amenity-rich community surrounded by outdoor adventure and everyday conveniences? Then I would like to introduce you to Rivington in Debary, Florida. Rivington is conveniently located just off US 1792 and only a 5-minute drive to I-4. Tired of being stuck in traffic? Rivington has a quarter-mile trail connecting to the Debary SunRail station, making it easy to get to Altamont Springs, Park Avenue in Winter Park, downtown Orlando, and so much more. Debary is known as Florida's most bikeable city, with easy access to over 600 miles of bike trails right from your new home. Enjoy a relaxing ride, taking in the natural scenery as you pass through Blue Springs State Park and Gemini State Park. Want to head into downtown Sanford? You can bike there too. Looking for something to do with the kids? Head over to Central Florida Zoo and Botanical Gardens with over 100 animal species, vibrant flower gardens, and petting zoos. Or take them to Gemini State Park, where you can camp, hike, kayak, and fish just 7 minutes away. Ready for a night out? Come on over to downtown Sanford, less than 15 minutes from Rivington. There are so many incredible restaurants, like the old jailhouse. This restaurant is located inside the old Seminole County Jail and features craft cocktails, made from scratch food, and a unique dining experience. Hollerbach's German Restaurant is known for its authentic German food, drinks, and entertainment. Check out Sanford Brewing Company, where you can enjoy live music, trivia nights, and craft beers with friends. You don't even have to leave the neighborhood to have a fun-filled weekend with the family. Splash around with the kids in the resort-style pool, or relax under the cabana with a good book. The kids will love the playground, and we even have a dog park for your furry friends. Take a walk around the neighborhood's 10 miles of walking trails or relax on your front porch with friends. If you're ready to learn more, click the button to join our interest list. By joining the list, you'll receive exclusive benefits, such as the best pricing and an early opportunity to set your appointment to be one of the first to purchase a Ryan home here at Rivington.